National Weather Service had issued a tornado warning for southeastern Perry County, southwestern Jefferson County, northwestern Franklin County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over DuQuoin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Christopher, Wren Lake area, Cesar, Failure around 8:35 p.m. West City around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include St. John's, North City, and Buckner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.